We're so glad you're here. Today we're going to show you some of our dough bowls. These are all handcrafted dough bowls. We have got a heart in several sizes, a Christmas tree, a star, and a bunny rabbit. And then we have some of your traditional dough bowls that are the long dough bowls, and then we have some shorter ones. So today we want to show you how you can do charcuterie in these dough bowls. So one thing that we really love about these dough bowls is they are so versatile. You can use them for charcuterie, you can use them to display around your home, you can use them for serving. We have got so many different ways you can use these for. For instance, we took the bunny rabbit and used it as a centerpiece, and then we've also used it for serving and as a display. The Christmas tree dough bowl was one of our most popular in 2022. And then we went ahead and we ordered this star that we think will be perfect for 4th of July. You could use it for Christmas. You can use this for so many different things. So one of my absolute favorites is the bunny rabbit dough bowl. We used it to display on a table. We used it as a centerpiece. You can use it for serving. And I've also seen people pour their candle waxes into it and have a homemade candle, which I think is a great idea. You could purchase some of these dough bowls and have a candle making class. I think that is a wonderful idea. There's so many different things you can do with dough bowls. I've also seen people use it to display breads, like homemade breads. So you can really get creative with your dough bowls. You can shop all of these and more designs. Like we have a round one, some longer ones, we have some crosses, some smaller hearts, but you can shop all of these at www.tmigifts.com, and all of these are $29 and under, so you're not going to pay outrageous amounts for these. They are a really good price point, so shop those. And if you want to get free shipping when you spend over $50 or more, you can use code SHIP23. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and we'd love it if you would subscribe and like.